టు నవ్య. ముందుగా వనిత టీవీ ప్రేక్షకులకు పిల్లలకు అందరికీ హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే. మరి ఈ రోజు చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా మనకి ఇద్దరు చిచ్చర పిడుగులు ఒక కొత్త రెసిపీస్ చూపిస్తారంట, హెల్దీ అండ్ టేస్టీ. సో మరి ఆ రెసిపీస్ ఏంటో ఆ ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. Hi Arya and Aditya.
Hi.
So how are you?
We're good.
Okay, so happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Children's Day, everybody.
Happy Children's Day, everybody.
So Arya and Aditya, ఈ రోజు మాకు చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే కాబట్టి what are you making?
We are going to be making chocolate fudge cupcake.
Chocolate cupcake. Wow. So you are going to make.
Both of us are going to make.
Okay, then what are the ingredients we need for that?
We'll need cocoa, flour, some curd,
Okay.
sugar, baking soda, and oil.
Okay, so simple process with simple ingredients, less
Yes.
ingredients. Okay, so let's start the process.
Yeah.
Okay, so first what we have to do?
First, we have to mix the curd and the sugar.
Okay, let's mix then. Okay, so you like chocolate more? Yeah. Okay. So which class are you studying?
Fourth.
Fourth. Okay. So online classes.
Yes.
So we took some curd and sugar, right?
Yeah.
And now we are mixing them till the sugar dissolves.
Any quantity required?
Yeah, the curd we've just put 1/4 cup.
Okay. So the quantity is 1/4 of curd. We have to mix until the sugar is dissolved.
Yes.
Okay. So who like chocolates most, you or Anna?
I like chocolate the most.
You like chocolate the most?
Now that the sugar is mostly dissolved, we're going to add some oil.
Okay. So who taught you this recipe? Like Mama?
Mama.
Mama, always. What is your favorite recipe then? Like not a recipe, anything.
My favorite cupcake would
Okay.
be Nutella swirl.
For you?
For me, it's a brownie.
Brownies.
Yeah.
So how used to be the Children's Day? Now it is Corona, no? We are having an online classes. But when you are in school, how it used to be?
It used to be very fun in school.
Very fun. Holiday, celebrations, dances. So
We
you
used-
dance? No?
No.
We used
No?
to
You?
get ice. No, we don't dance.
You don't dance.
We
Why?
get ice cream.
So is it completed? The
Yeah.
mixing?
So
Yes.
now that is completed, we're going to do the drying ingredients now.
Okay. Then what we have to take the first?
First, you have to take some flour.
Okay.
We need a spoon. Then
Now
the cocoa powder.
we'll add the cocoa powder.
Okay. Is there any quantity? Like we have to take certain quantity,
Yeah.
cocoa powder or.
We have to.
Okay. So did you remember any favorite Children's Day, like in any class up to 8th? Do you have any favorite, like 6th class Children's Day is my favorite? No. No?
No.
Who is your best friend, Aditya?
I don't know.
You don't have any flavor. You don't have. Oh my god. You don't have any best friend?
No.
No?
I do have one.
Oh, who is that?
His name is Hansan.
Hanson.
Got separated a few years ago.
What you added, Arya?
Baking soda.
Okay, pinch of baking soda.
Yeah.
So we
It's
have
got
to mix
a
it
light
properly.
brown. We have to mix it.
We are done with this.
Okay.
We are going
Now
to.
Arya is going to slowly add the dry ingredients.
So
and I'll
without
keep
lumps,
mixing.
you have to mix it.
Yes.
Okay. So why you got the interest in this cooking?
We just kept doing with Mama and we got
You
into
both from childhood only. You just
Yeah.
kept doing.
I think from 3 or 4 years.
From 3 or 4 years. So you got interest from 3 or 4 years.
Or 2 also maybe. I'm not sure.
Okay. So who is more naughty, you or Anna?
Dada.
Brother is more naughty than you. Why? What is that naughtiness in your brother?
He troubles me.
He troubles you. Okay, we'll ask Aditya. Aditya, who is very naughty?
Arya.
Arya. See. Why she is very naughty?
Now, many reasons to it. What do I say?
Once I pranked
See,
him.
you have only one reason, but Anna has more reasons. Many reasons. Oh, you are the naughty girl.
No, he's a naughty boy.
He is the naughty.
I add it on.
Okay. So we had to mix without any lumps.
Yes.
Okay, so
For the batter, we should not mix too much, otherwise
Okay.
it will get spoiled.
okay.
Now we are going to take the and we are going to use some chocolate.
Okay.
We are going to break it into pieces and then we're going to add it.
Okay, so we took cocoa powder and chocolate both.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you like Anna more than Mama and Dada? Yeah? Abba. You are the sweetest sister.
When we put the chocolate, we have to break them into small pieces.
Okay, so
And
we
then-
can mix up.
Yes.
Okay. So
I
we
think
can-
it will get melted in the oven.
Okay. So we had to use the oven. So everything is without the stove. No, we had to use the oven.
Yeah, just normal microwave is fine.
Okay. So one chocolate is enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want, you can add more, depending on your liking.
I think I want to add.
చాక్లెట్ లవర్స్ విల్ బి లైక్ దట్ ఇలానే ఉంటారన్నమాట చాక్లెట్ లవర్స్ ఎంత చాక్లెట్ వేసినా సరిపోదు సో ఆర్యా వి ఎనఫ్ 2 chocolates for us or we can add all the chocolates no why we are adding we can eat we are that much chocolate lovers now okay you want to go back to the school what about you
Even I want to go.
you want to go back when you are in school you used to wait for the holiday right now you are waiting for the school back to school
I love my school.
you love your school
We will learn a song on it.
oh do you have any favorite heroes heroine
In DC, it will be Superman.
oh cartoons is it okay
Now we are going to fill the cupcake liners only half.
okay
With the batter.
సో ఎలా అయినా మనకి వేసినప్పుడు పొంగుతుంది కాబట్టి హాఫ్ వరకు సో ఫిల్ చేసి వీ హ్యావ్ టు మైక్రోవేవ్
Yes.
ఓకే సో
Dada, can you do the cupcake lining?
oh yeah your brother will
Are
always
can you
stay for you
move
to
it?
help nice so we can add anything if you want on the top
Yeah. You can even put some Nutella on the top and then you can put sprinkles
Chocolate
or
chips.
any spreading or anything you can put.
oh so completed filling
Yeah. Wait, Dada, there's still some more left.
okay we can fill and we can adjust in all the cups
Yeah.
okay so what is the next process
Next, we're going to bake them.
okay we have to microwave
Yeah.
immediately
Yeah.
Yes.
okay let's do them
And
okay
we'll put it for 1 minute.
oh 1 minute is enough to bake
Yes.
fine then
I
And we
put it
have
for the
1
dessert.
minute.
okay
Now that the 1 minute is over, we have to open and see how the cupcakes are.
okay chalo let's see oh yeah they're perfectly baked, I
They
think
don't.
so.
But
No?
we need to.
We need to see if they're ready.
we have to check actually
Yeah.
okay then let's check
So to check, what you can do, you can press, and if it comes back like a sponge, then it means it's ready. If you press in the center, see it's come back.
okay
It
then
means
it's
it's ready.
perfectly oh.
See, I'm touching, and it's coming back.
Yeah, okay. So for 1 minute, these are perfectly done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so like that we had to place 1 or 2.
Now the cupcakes are ready. We use very few ingredients, and it's very natural and organic too. We just used flour, sugar, oil, baking soda, cocoa, and
ఆయిల్.
curd.
ఓకే, సో చాలా కొన్ని ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్తోనే మొత్తం మనం చేత్తోనే చేసుకున్నాం. జస్ట్ లాస్ట్లో అయితే ఓవెన్లో పెట్టాం. సో వీ నీడ్ ఎనీ ఫినిషింగ్ టచ్ ఆర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే టు ఈట్?
We need a finishing touch.
ఓకే, విత్
Nutella and walnut.
ఓ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇట్స్ లైక్ చాక్లెట్. ఓకే, సో వీ క్యాన్ హ్యావ్ ఫినిషింగ్ టచ్ విత్ Nutella.
You can garnish it however you want.
ఓకే, సో వీ క్యాన్ యూస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ వాంట్ లైక్
Yes.
sprinkles, chocolate chips. So like that.
But if you
okay.
want the sprinkles to stay, you're gonna have to put something that can stick.
Okay. So do you have any favorite teacher? Like you said, no, you'll not do homework, but they will not do anything. Do you have any teacher, favorite teacher?
Not really.
Not
Only-
really. Why? All are good or all are bad?
I like all of my teachers.
Oh God.
And for best friends, I have many best friends.
Yeah, you said one Kavya.
I have no friends, not only no friend type, but only best friends.
Oh, all are your best friends, not friends.
No.
Or no favorite teacher, all are your favorite teachers.
So my best friends will be Kavya, Vivan,
Okay.
Athar, Charvi,
Hmm.
and Shubha.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, no favorite teachers, only best friends. What is your favorite subject then?
My favorite subject would be science and history, but I don't have history.
Science. Oh, science student. What about you? What is your favorite?
My favorite would be in science.
Science. No favorite teacher like Arya? No favorite teacher? Oh God. Okay.
Now we are done with the cupcakes.
Yeah, looking cute like you.
And yummy.
Okay, so very cute. So your sister, so Arya had prepared already a brownie, like cupcake. So what you are making?
So I'm going to be making the fruit stick.
Fruit stick with?
So fruits.
Okay, with
We're
like
going to
what
be
fruits you are
using-
taking?
We're going to be using grapes, papaya,
Okay.
pineapple, kiwi, blueberry,
And
and
banana.
banana.
Okay,
You can use just any fruit you want.
that's it. And any other ingredients?
Yes, we're also adding chocolate.
Chocolate.
ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది పిల్లలు ఫ్రూట్స్ అవి తినరు, సో చాక్లెట్ వేసి మాయ చేయాలనుకుంటా.
You can add it anyhow you want.
వాట్ యు లైక్ మోస్ట్ ఫ్రూట్? విచ్ ఫ్రూట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్?
I don't.
You don't know.
What?
You don't
But I
know.
like. But in school we get papaya, so I like papayas.
Oh, it's good for health, you know.
Mango is my favorite fruit.
Oh, she forgot. She just now ఇట్లా గుర్తొచ్చింది నాకు మ్యాంగో చాలా ఇష్టం అని. You forgot your favorite fruit. Oh, what is this, Arya?
Actually, in second grade,
Huh.
a ma'am said that we have to draw our favorite fruit and label it.
Okay.
So, my favorite fruit would be, of course, mango. So I drew that, and then I gave it to ma'am, and ma'am stuck it. And when I saw the fruit board, there were so many people who took mango.
Oh, so many's favorite fruit is mango. What is your favorite?
My favorite fruit would be orange.
Orange? Oh, finally you told one favorite fruit. అంటే ఏం లేవు ఫేవరెట్ టీచర్, ఏది అడిగినా నాకు అందరి ఇష్టం అని అంటున్నాడు. ఫైనల్లీ ఆరెంజ్ అంటే ఇష్టం అని అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే,
So now we've put the fruits on the stick one by one,
Can I do
and
the
you can put it
chocolate
in any order you
Yeah.
want. First we've used like grapes and then banana and all, and you can use any order you want. We've used this one.
Fruits,
Okay.
vegetables, anything is fine. Yeah.
సో యూ ఈట్ నాన్ వెజ్ ఆర్ వెజ్ మోర్?
Non-veg.
నాన్ వెజ్, సేమ్ పించ్ చాక్లెట్ నాన్ వెజ్. సో వాట్ యూ ఈట్ ఇన్ నాన్ వెజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ?
Burger, pizza,
ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్.
donut.
ఎవరు పిల్లలందరూ బర్గర్, పిజ్జా, డోనట్. సో ఇన్ కరోనా నో అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫుడ్, నో?
Yes,
Then-
but we made everything we like at home.
ఓ చాలా మంది కరోనాలో చెఫ్లు అయిపోతున్నారు అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ఆర్యా బర్గర్ అండ్ పిజ్జా లైక్ డోనట్స్ ఇన్ హోమ్, సో యూ విల్ మేక్.
I take the help of Dada and Mama.
ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఆదిత్య ఇన్ నాన్ వెజ్?
Non-veg, my favorite is butter chicken.
Butter chicken. So
Yeah.
chicken is your favorite.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we've completed the fruit stick. So now we're going to melt the chocolates.
Okay. So fruit sticks పైన మనం విల్ జస్ట్ లైక్ లేయర్ చాక్లెట్ ని చేస్తాం. Okay, so we had to take chocolates and we had to melt them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we're going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Okay.
We should not put it for more than 1 minute. You have to melt it for 30 seconds. But if you do it for 1 minute continuously without any stops, the chocolate can burn.
Okay, so only 30 seconds, not more
Yes,
than
in
that.
breaks.
Continuously, yeah. In breaks.
Yes.
Then 30 seconds completed, I think so.
Yes.
But if it's not melted, then you have to put it for 30 seconds more. Until it's melted, you should keep putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Okay, so it
And
is melted.
every time you remove it, you have to do it with a spoon because sometimes it becomes soft but doesn't move.
Okay, so it is melted perfectly, right?
Yes.
Okay, Aditya, what we have to do? The chocolate is melted, right?
Yes. So now we're going to drizzle the chocolate over this. So we have to take some chocolate, and then when this is happening, you have to just drizzle like this.
Okay, so it is somewhat children's favorite laka. So most of the children don't like to eat fruits, right?
Yeah, so
Maybe so that we are doing a magic with chocolate.
I really don't like fruits.
I thought you are a chocolate lover, not a fruit lover.
Except for mango, she doesn't like any other. Yeah. So we've drizzled the chocolate, and now your fruit stick is ready.
Okay, it's ready to eat. So nice.
So on this side the chocolate, this side no chocolate.
Okay, health and taste rendu. So completed both the recipes.
Yeah.
So what next?
Now
You
we're
have
going
to
to taste
taste.
them.
Oh, I have to taste. So we can taste.
Yes.
ఓకే, సో వాళ్ళు చేసే రెసిపీస్ అన్నీ ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళే తింటూ ఉంటారు. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం నాకు కూడా పెడుతున్నారు. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ టేస్ట్
Yes.
Yeah.
both of you and me. Okay,
So first we can start with the cupcake.
thank you. Then you also.
No, me.
నేను చెప్పక్కర్లేదు, చెప్పేసుకుంటుంది యమ్మీ అని చెప్పి. ఇట్స్ స్వీట్ లైక్ యూ. ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్వీట్ అండ్ టేస్టీ, యమ్మీ. యూ ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్, రైట్? వెరీ మచ్.
Yeah.
సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ టేస్టీ అండ్ వెరీ వెరీ యమ్మీ. ఐ రియలీ లవ్డ్ ఇట్.
Yeah.
So Arya, now that we're done tasting yours, can we taste mine?
Yes.
యా, ఆబ్వియస్లీ. పాపం డామినేటింగ్ చేసేస్తుంది, చాలా డామినేషన్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రూట్స్ విత్ చాక్లెట్.
Yes.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I'm gonna take.
It's really nice.
యా, ఇట్ ఈస్. సో హెల్త్కి హెల్త్, చాక్లెట్కి చాక్లెట్. రియల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ సో గుడ్.
It's very yummy, Dada.
Yeah, see, your sister gave a compliment. It is really very, very good and I loved it. So, thank you for showing us such a yummy recipes, like such a yummy, both with chocolate. ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ టేస్ట్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఐ జస్ట్ లవ్డ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, టు ఆల్ ద వ్యూయర్స్, వనిత ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ, పిల్లలందరికీ, సో విషింగ్ యూ ఆల్ ఏ వెరీ హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే. సో చూసారు కదా, మరి నవ్యాలో చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే స్పెషల్ ఇద్దరు చిచ్చర్ పిడుగులు మనకి సూపర్ రెసిపీస్ అయితే చూపించారు. మరొక ఎపిసోడ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం.
ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని www.youtube.com/vanita TV ఛానల్లో చూడండి.